Have you ever looked around your home and thought, there has to be an easier way? Maybe getting out of bed isn't quite as simple as it used to be. Maybe standing up from the toilet takes a little extra effort. Or perhaps you're helping a parent, spouse, or loved one stay independent while remaining safe and comfortable at home. The good news? A few simple products can make a huge difference. Today I'm sharing 10 Amazon products for mobility support and comfort that can help make everyday life easier, safer, and a whole lot more comfortable. And stick around until the end, because my final pick combines comfort, freedom, and independence in one surprisingly portable package. Before we jump in, home is where the heart is. If you enjoy helpful finds, practical solutions, and products that make life a little easier, please subscribe to Bebe Buys and join our growing community. Now let's get started. Number 1. Toilet Safety Handrails. Let's start with one of the most important rooms in the house, the bathroom. Bathrooms are one of the most common places for slips and falls. That's where toilet safety handrails come in. These adjustable support rails fit around most toilets and provide sturdy handholds for sitting down and standing up. Why people love them? Added stability helps reduce fall risk. No permanent installation required. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. Number 2. Bed Rail Assist. Handle. Next up is a product many people wish they had purchased sooner. A bedside support rail. Getting in and out of bed can be challenging, especially after surgery, illness, injury, or simply as we age. A bed rail provides a secure handle right where you need it. Benefits include easier transfers, more confidence getting up, helps prevent rolling out of bed, storage pockets for books, remotes, and phones. Many users say this simple addition helps them maintain independence without constantly asking for assistance. Number 3. Electric wheelchair technology has come a long way. Today's electric wheelchairs are lighter, easier to transport, and more user-friendly than ever. Many fold for travel and can fit into vehicle trunks. Increased independence. Less physical strain. Great for outings and appointments. For people with limited endurance or mobility challenges, an electric wheelchair can open doors to activities they may have stopped enjoying. Sometimes mobility equals freedom. Number 4. Swivel Shower Chair. Shower safety is incredibly important. A swivel shower chair allows users to sit comfortably while bathing and rotate for easier entry and exit. Features people appreciate. Less twisting and reaching, increased safety. Adjustable height. Anything that reduces the risk of slipping while maintaining dignity and independence is worth considering. Number 5. Trapeze Transfer Bar. This next item may not be familiar to everyone. A trapeze transfer bar. It installs near the bed and provides a sturdy handle suspended overhead. Benefits. Helps reposition in bed, assists with transfers, reduces caregiver strain, encourages independence. For individuals recovering from surgery or dealing with limited mobility, this simple device can be a game changer. Number 6. Hurrycane canes have evolved. The Hurrycane is designed with a pivoting base and freestanding design. Unlike traditional canes that often fall over, this one stays upright when not in use. Self-standing design. Better balance support. Lightweight foldable for travel. Number 7. Underdesk bicycle. Who says exercise has to be complicated? An underdesk bicycle allows users to pedal while sitting comfortably in a chair. Encourages movement, helps improve circulation, low-impact exercise. Great during TV time. Many people use these while watching their favorite shows or reading a book. Even a little movement throughout the day can add up over time. Number 8. Walker with seat. This might be one of the most practical mobility aids available, a rollator walker with a built-in seat. Why it's so useful? Walk when you want, sit when you need storage basket included. The built-in seat provides peace of mind because a resting place is always close by. Number 9. Ergonomic car seat cushion. Long car rides can become uncomfortable quickly. An ergonomic seat cushion helps provide support and relieve pressure while sitting. Improved posture. Better comfort during travel. Reduced pressure points. Number 10. Fold and Go Mobility Scooter. And finally, the product many people say helped them regain independence. A Fold and Go Mobility Scooter. Unlike traditional scooters, many newer models fold quickly for transportation and storage. Great and lightweight. Those are my picks for 10 Amazon products for mobility support and comfort. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.